Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another what I eat in a day video. Thank you for joining for a fantastic day of food, which started off with one of my favourite breakfasts. So right now there's a teeny weeny bit of chill in the air. Like, I don't want to say it feels a bit autumnal, but for the last couple of days it kind of has. We've had such fantastic weather over the summer, but then if you can feel yourself rocking, it's because Kiki's attacking the chair that you're on. But we've had such amazing weather, but all of a sudden it feels like something's changed. I think we will get some more warm weather and it is still gorgeous, but there's been a little bit of a cooler, crispy air about the place. And this morning I woke up and I thought, you know what I want? I want porridge. So I made myself some ready bread porridge and I had it with berries and some demerara sugar. So I'll pop that in now. I was finished with breakfast, I thought I fancy a casserole. We bought all the stuff we needed from the supermarket yesterday to make a casserole, so I just got started with it. I browned some meat, I chopped some veg, and I just got on with it and popped it in the slow cooker, which is ideal. Number one, because the calorie value is really low. It's really good for you. It's so delicious and it's cooking away in the background and I don't have to think about it now until later on, which is perfect. So I did that, which I'll insert now. Dinner's kind of already on the make, which is very exciting, but I do want to go and have some lunch now. And I picked up a salad yesterday, like a pre-made salad that just looks really great in M&S, so I'm gonna have that. And then who knows for the rest of the day. I do want to make a nice coffee at some point. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy it. It's really nice to kind of catch up. I've been so busy over the last couple of weeks. I've had my birthday, which was just on the 22nd. We took the kids away, so we've just got back from like a little family staycation. And then we went to York for my birthday for a couple of days. And we've just had the best time. When I say I ate my way through that city, I am not joking. So if you've not watched my shorts of what I ate when I was in York, go and check it out, because honestly, number one, it was full of delicious food, but also it was just really fun to film, and York is such a beautiful city. Okay, I'm just gonna get started, leave a comment, and let's get on with the day. So I nipped into M&S yesterday, and this is a salad that I picked up. It's the char grilled chicken Caesar salad with Caesar dressing, croutons and Parmesan cheese. This is 390 calories per serving, and it's one serving. Well and truly gotten away with us, and I haven't had any snack. I am starving. So the casserole has been bubbling away for a good 7 hours today, and I'm just about to turn it off and sub up. I've got some mashed potatoes on the go, although I probably won't have any mashed potatoes if I'm honest, because we're gonna have Yorkshire puddings, but I picked up this pear and runner bean and broccoli as well. I'm likely just to have the veg, Yorkshire pudding and the casserole. But again, very versatile. You could have this with chips, you could have it with jacket potato, you could have it with anything. Just really easy, really simple, and look at that crispy skin along with all of those juices to mop up with some lovely bread, which I do have but get left over from yesterday. So anyway, I'm going to start heating these up, which this is a 2-person serving, so I'll probably have half of that tomorrow as well. And then I'm going to have one of these large Yorkshire puddings. It's actually the next morning now. Honestly, after we had that casserole, I kind of went into a food coma. I lay on the couch all night with Andy and the kids, and we watched Harry Potter, and I didn't actually eat much. I think I had a handful of grapes, which I forgot to show, and a cup of tea, and that is how I ended my evening. But honestly, if you can slow cook your casseroles like that and brown your meat off and invest all of that flavour, it is so worth it. It was absolutely delicious, and it was really filling, and I loved every single mouthful of it. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I am thinking about filming one of these videos today as well, just to get myself ahead, because I have a very busy couple of weeks coming, and look forward to a vlog mid-August. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna do like a 3-day vlog or a weekly vlog, and I'm very excited about it because I haven't vlogged in about, well, I think it was like early June the last time I vlogged. So yeah, hope you're all excited about that. Leave a comment, let me know how you all are, and I'll see you in my next one.